Welcome back. Today let's explore one of the coolest concept in object-oriented programming, that is polymorphism. The word poly comes from two Greek words. Poly means many and morph means forms. So polymorphism simply means as many forms. For example, pressing the accelerator in a car, bike, or airplane, the action is the same but the response is different. In programming, it allows us to perform single action in different ways. And polymorphism have the two types. And the first type is compile time polymorphism and also called as method overloading. The method overloading happens when multiple methods in the same class have the same name but different parameters. In Python, method overloading isn't natively supported, but you can using default parameter or using star args. And the second type is runtime polymorphism and also called as method overloading. When a child class provides a specific implementation of a method that's already defined its parent class. Let's see the example code for method overriding. We start by creating a base class called vehicle. Class vehicle. Inside, inside it we define a method called accelerate. So using a key def accelerate, and this self refer the reference of object. Right now it just prints a general message, the vehicle accelerate. The vehicle accelerate. This method will be overridden in the child classes. Next we create a car class which inherits from vehicle. Class car and inherit the vehicle class. That is a base class. It has its own version of accelerate method. So again we create the accelerate method. When the method is called, it prints the car speed up by pressing the accelerate pedal. So write the print statement. The car speeds up by pressing the accelerate pedal. Then we have the bike class also inheriting from vehicle. So again we creating one derived class bike. It overrides the accelerated method too. Each time it says the bike speed up by twisting the throttle. accelerate. Here I print the bike speed up. So again same method name, different behavior. This is same method name, but this method having different behavior. Now comes the plain class. Which overrides the accelerated method as well. Inherit the vehicle method. There, just I copy and paste here. This time the output reflect how a plane accelerate, increasing thrust and lifting off. The plane increases thrust and start to lift off. Here we define a function called text acceleration. It takes one argument called vehicle. So I define one general method. It's called as test accelerate. I pass the argument name vehicle. It's not my class name, it's just an argument. Inside a function, we simply called vehicle.accelerate. Vehicle.accelerate. Thanks to polymorphism, this line will automatically call the correct version of accelerate depending on which object we pass. Next, we create a three objects. Car, bike, one for each class, bike, car and plane. Finally, we pass each object to the accelerate function. So, test est pass the car parameter to this vehicle object. The car is nothing but it's a object of class car. So here I pass the object parameter like bike and then plane also. Even though the function names start the same, Python calls the correct accelerate method for each object. That's the beauty of runtime polymorphism that is called method overriding. So I run this code. So guys, here is the output of this program. The car speed up pressing the accelerate pedal, the bike speed up the twisting the throttle, and plane increases thrust and start to lift off. This example shows how polymorphism let us use the same method name with different behavior. It's simple, clean, makes our code super flexible. So guys, if you like this explanation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech concepts. Thanks for watching and keep coding smart. Thank you.